Hi everyone and welcome to ScriptN'Go.com. In this short video, I want to show you how you can leverage a new feature in ScriptN'Go version 9.1 that allows you using command file templating with variable substitution. Let's assume your task is to create new VLANs on a leaf switching architecture and script multiple leaf switches. For this, you put together a CLI command template that contains all the necessary commands and a few parameters with values changing from switch to switch. In this script, you can see normal CLI commands with variables enclosed in curly braces like the VLAN ID, VLAN name, or VXLAN ID. What variables you use and what names you give them really just depends on your needs and tastes. Other than creating the command template with the necessary CLI commands, what you need to do is to add a specific first and last line to the code. The first line must contain the words begin command file, while the last one requires the expression end command line. What decoration or letter case you use does not matter. The purpose of these two lines is to make sure you cannot pick a random text file accidentally when selecting it from the file system. The second line of the command file must specify the parameter file, which contains the variable values for each switch to be configured. You need to reference the parameter file using the keyword @parameterfile and adding the file name, either with full path or only the name of the file if located in the same directory as the command file. Now let's look at the parameter file. The very first line of the parameter file may contain flags that are influencing variable substitution and script preview. We will touch shortly the exact operation of these control flags. All of the following lines in the file are treated as comma-separated values and therefore must follow standard CSV5 formatting. The second line of the file must contain the list of variable names referenced by the command file. Variable names are case insensitive and can contain alphanumeric characters, but not any white space. The very first item in the list has a specific use and may have any name. In our example, it's named key. The value in this column is used to look up the right set of variables for a particular switch. From this point, each line of the file must contain variable values for a given switch. The first column must specify either a hostname or an IP or network address. The address may be a single IPv4 address or a network prefix in CIDR format like 10.0.0.0/8. When performing variable substitution in the command template, ScriptN'Go will look for the first matching line comparing the connected device address to the value in the first column. Another option can be using the hostname for selecting the right set of values. This lookup behavior may be controlled by the flag named @variableMatchMode in the first line. This flag may have two values, either device IP or hostname, both case insensitive. If unspecified, device IP is the default value. When a given line is matched, the set of variable values are actually determined to be used for substitution in the template, and then the final script code is generated. At the beginning of the script deployment, you probably want to see the result of set of CLI commands constructed for each switch. This is what the @scriptPreview flag controls in the first line. If this flag is not set, the default value of true is used. Now let's see the operation of this in practice. Open the script generator and select script targets by adding a range, selecting from favorite hosts, or simply pasting the list. Make sure the rest of parameters are all set, then click the Add Command button. Here, select the command file you created earlier. If you select a wrong text file accidentally, ScriptN'Go will warn you that file formatting is not acceptable. Now click Generate Script and from the Execution Script context menu, start it. After a successful connection and variable lookup and substitution, the script preview window will appear showing you the CLI commands ready to be sent to the device. Remember, this preview is appearing because the parameter file does not explicitly disabling script preview. Set the @scriptPreview flag to false if you no longer wish to see the preview for this command template. After reviewing the code, you can select to either continue or abort your execution script at this point. Thank you very much for watching CLI command files and templates. If you have any questions, feel free to contact us at www.scriptn'go.com/contact. See you!